This is a COVID-19 response survey. As part of COVID-19 response efforts, please fill out this weekly survey to help determine the frequency of movements of each individual, along with his or her current health and financial condition. Your participation in this survey will help us to create possible recommendations for policymakers and higher education institutions on how one can be supported in such crisis in different environments, such as economic, social, cultural, political, and institutional aspects. It will just take about 10 minutes to complete the survey. Your personal details will be confidential. More importantly, your participation will help us reduce the transmission of COVID-19 in our country, as you will get to track your activities weekly. Your effort matters. Thank you very much. We heal as one.